Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good at home. Welcome back to your computer class. Today I have come with your chapter number 8, which is your programming chapter. What is the name of your chapter? Visual Basic 2010 Express. In previous class, means in class 6 standard, you have learned basic programming, that is QBasic. But in this, we are going to learn Visual Basic, that is also known as VB. Means in this language, what we are going to do? We are going to create graphical user interface, that is known as GUI. Means you are going to communicate with the help of a form. Like whenever you want to interact with the program, what we are going to do? You are writing a program with the help of interface. So let us start with the chapter. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज होती क्या है. यू मस्ट बी ऑलरेडी अवेयर अबाउट इट. प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज क्या होती है? इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू गिव सेट ऑफ ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स. मीन्स whatever instruction we have to give to the computer, that is in the form of rules. So that is known as your programming language. As you can see, a programming language is a set of grammatical rules that are used for giving instruction to a computer. As you can see, a programming language is a set of grammatical rules that are used for giving instruction to a कंप्यूटर. मीन्स देखो बेटा, whenever you want कि आपके कंप्यूटर ये करे, आप बोलोगे now your computer will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, like this. You want to perform function with the help of computer, then what do you have to use? You have to use programming language. We have divided our programming language into two parts. First one we have low level language and second one we have high level language. Now we have already learned one of the high level language, that is your QBasic. I have already told you कि in previous class you have learned your QBasic, that is known as your high level language. Now in this chapter we are going to learn here another high level language, that is your Visual Basic, as I have already told you. Now we will, as you can see, जो आपकी Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express है, which is a freely downloaded version of Visual Basic for students. ये जो आपका सॉफ्टवेयर है, जो आपकी लैंग्वेज है, that will be freely available for students. So you can download it from the internet for your practice. Next हम बात करेंगे Visual Basic होता क्या है. As I have already told you, it is a graphical user interface. Now we are studying in detail what is Visual Basic. Now this is a programming language, as I already told you. जो आपकी QBasic है, this is also a programming language and Visual Basic is also a programming language, and both comes in high level language. Okay. Now it was developed by Microsoft in May 1991. जो आपकी Visual Basic थी, that was developed by Microsoft. It is based on basic language. You can say if you have learned your basic language, you can easily learn your Visual Basic. It provides variety of tools to create your user-friendly application with the graphical user interface. Means with the help of this language, you are able to create user-friendly application. Means user is able to interact with the application very friendly with the help of graphical user interface. That's why we are called it, because this language provides you graphical interface. That's why we call it Visual Basic. I think this is clear. As you can see, Visual Basic is also referred to as event driven programming language. Means जो आपकी Visual Basic है, we call it event driven programming language also. And event, what is event? Now the question comes, event होता क्या है? Event is the occurrence of some user generated action such as click and key press. Means whenever you press a key, whenever you click on a mouse, whatever action will be generated in response to your key or your click, that is called your event. Then in Visual Basic, the code statements are executed in response to the events. Means whenever you will click on any event, चाहे आप press on keyboard. In response to that, कुछ actions response करेंगे आपको. That is known as your code statements. I think this is clear. As you can say, in Visual Basic जो आपकी code statements होती है that are executed in response to the events. Whenever you will execute any event, तो उसके response में जो आपकी statements हैं, code की statements हैं, that will be executed. As you can see example here, a user action such as mouse click, key press or a message from the operating system or the another program. Now an event-driven application is designed to detect event as they occur and then deal with them using an appropriate event handling procedure. Means whatever event will be going to execute, how that statement are going to execute according to the events, that all things will come under event driven programming. As you can see, जो event driven application होती है, why we have designed them? It is basically designed to detect your event as they occur and then they are going to deal with it using an appropriate event handling procedure. तो means जो event driven applications होती हैं वो क्या करती हैं, आपकी डिटेक्ट करती हैं इवेंट्स को और उनके साथ डील करने के लिए इवेंट हैंडलिंग प्रोसीजर्स को भी यूज करती हैं. नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे मोड्स ऑफ विजुअल बेसिक. फर्स्ट वन वी हैव डिजाइन मोड, सेकंड वी हैव रन मोड एंड थर्ड वन वी हैव ब्रेक मोड. डिजाइन मोड मींस whenever we are going to design your GUI, that is graphical user interface, जिसकी हेल्प से जो आपका यूजर है इंटरेक्ट कर सकता है, that is your design mode. Okay, and then we have run mode. Run mode means after the completing of the program or the form, what you have to do, you have to execute it, you have to debug it, that is called your run mode. And third one we have break mode. Break mode होता है कि in between किसी एरर की वजह से क्या हुआ, जो आपका प्रोग्राम था वो क्या हो गया, होल्ड हो गया, that will come under your break mode. I think these modes are clear to you. In which designing means we are going to design the form, run means we are going to execute the form, and in break mode whenever the error comes in between, you are going to halt the program in between and you are going to remove the errors. I think these modes of Visual Basics are clear to you. नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू स्टार्ट योर विजुअल बेसिक 2010. फॉर दिस फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट यू हैव टू डू टू स्टार्ट योर विजुअल बेसिक, टाइप विजुअल बेसिक इन द सर्च बॉक्स. whenever you want to open it, what you have to do, you have to type in the search box on the taskbar, then you have to click on Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express option. I think this is clear. Then the start page of Microsoft Visual Basic will appears. I will show in the figure. The start page has option to create a new project or open an existing project. Means जब भी आप start page open करोगे आपके पास दो options होते हैं. आप already जो project बन चुके हैं you can open them or you can create a new project into it. ये project क्या होता है? As I have told you, we are going to create a new project or we are going to open an existing project. Now the question comes, what is a project? Project is a collection of files that makes up an application. जो आपका प्रोजेक्ट होता है वो क्या होता है, कलेक्शन ऑफ फाइल्स होती है जो मिलके क्या बनाते हैं आपकी एप्लीकेशन. यू कैन क्रिएट वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इन विजुअल बेसिक. आप अपनी मल्टीपल एप्लीकेशन, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हो विजुअल बेसिक के अंदर. इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट विंडो फॉर्म एप्लीकेशन. I will show you practically also how it is to be done. Next we have, so here you can see we have different components of Visual Basic IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. You can see here we have toolbox tab, main window, we have form window, menu bar, title bar, solution explorer and properties window. As you can see here, जो toolbox होता है means whenever you are going to add, this is your form. In this form you are going to add different tools from your toolbox. Like आपको कोई button add करना है, कोई label add करना है, whatever you want to create in your application, that you are going to take from toolbox. From property window you are going to change the properties of the different control that you have added into your form. title bar is going to display the name of the document. Menu bar will hold all the options that are related to your applications. Solution Explorer will give you the name of the form and with your extension. Like if we are going to work on Visual Basic, then extension will be .vb. I think this is clear. Toolbox का work clear हो गया. Solution Explorer है, property window and this is your main window. So this is all about your components of Visual Basic IDE. As I already explained you, title bar will display the name of the document. By default, the first project is named as the window application. Second one we have menu bar. Menu bar will offer you command for working in Visual Basic environment. Then we have toolbar that contain your buttons that provide shortcut to various menu options such as start, debug and debug button. Next we have main window. The main window is an area where you can work to create the application. जो आपका main window था means जो आपका form है, form का size increase decrease as according to your wish you can do it. Then we have form window, that is the basic building block on which you are going to place different object for designing an application. Like आपको कोई button लगाना है, label लगाना है, कोई check box लगाना है, everything you are going to place on your form window. Toolbox, from where you are getting, you will get all the control that we are going to place on your form. Next we have property. Property window. अब सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे property होता क्या है. As you can say, property refers to the characteristics of an object such as color and size. Like आपने कोई बटन लिया है, कोई लेबल लिया है, कोई चेक बॉक्स लिया है, कोई रेडियो बटन लिया है, ये different controls हैं that you can add from toolbox. अब उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज करनी है, उस पर कुछ लिखना है, उसका साइज इंक्रीज करना है, उसका बैकग्राउंड चेंज करना है, कलर चेंज करना है, तो यू विल डू फ्रॉम प्रॉपर्टी बॉक्स. आई विल शो यू प्रैक्टिकली ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल द बैक कलर प्रॉपर्टी लेट्स यू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. जो आपकी बैक कलर प्रॉपर्टी है वो क्या करेगी? It help you to change the background color. Okay, you can change the property either at the time of designing or during the execution of an application. Now it is your wish. You want to change it at the designing time or you want to change it at the execution time. Next हम बात करेंगे what is Solution Explorer. As you can see, जो Solution Explorer window होती है that display a list of various files of a project. Like आपने एक project के अंदर how many forms you have created will be displayed with the help of Solution Explorer. Now Solution Explorer window has view code and view designer button on the top to change the code or designer view. Like on the top of the form only it will display your design mode and code mode दोनों. Code view भी दिखेगा आपको, design भी दिखेगा. You want to switch to code, you can go. You want to switch to design, you can go. So this will be displayed on the top of your form. I'll show it. You can see here. This is your Solution Explorer. What we are going to do? This is window application 1. This is the name of your project. Here I have my project. Under my project I have form1.vb. Here you can see we have Solution Explorer. Under Solution Explorer we have created window application. In that it is going to display my project. Under my project I have taken form1.vb. As we are working on Visual Basic, so this is .vb. And here we have view code and here we have designer view. Means if we want to open design view you can go here. If we want to open code window we can go here. I think the Solution Explorer is clear to you. Next we have designer view. You can see here designer में you can see the outline of the form. I think this is clear. Here means what you have taken. This is label, this is your text box and this is your button. I think this is clear. Next you can see here code view. अब जो आपने फॉर्म बनाया है उसका कोड व्यू भी होगा. That you can see here. जितने भी कंट्रोल्स होते हैं that will be displayed on the left side, that your toolbox. And here you can see the code window also. Whenever you will click on the code, you can see the code window of your form. Code view, this is the view that let you type code statement inside the event handler of the form or the other control. Like जब भी आपको like you want to say कि मुझे when I click on button, this action, this statement will execute. When I click on this statement will execute. How this will happen? With the help of code window only. I think this is clear. Now you can see property window also. I have already explained you property window का क्या use होता है. You can see here. This is your form 1 where you have see different properties like size है, showing, taskbar है, size, grid, style है, start position, tag, text, topmost. जितने भी उस कंट्रोल से रिलेटेड आपकी प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं that will be displayed in the property window. I think this is clear. Now you will see practically how it is to be done. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे how the Visual Studio is going to open. For this I have to click on start button, then I have to click on Visual Basic. You can see here this is Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. When I click on this, it is going to open Visual Basic. Fine. After this what we have to do, we have to click on new project and you can open ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट ऑल्सो. फाइन. आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है, एक न्यू प्रोजेक्ट का है, एक ओपन प्रोजेक्ट का है. ओपन प्रोजेक्ट से क्या होगा, जो ऑलरेडी आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स बने हुए हैं दैट विल बी ओपन फ्रॉम दिस, एंड न्यू मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट योर ओन प्रोजेक्ट. फाइन. यहाँ पे देखो बेटा डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस आ रही हैं. विंडो एप्लीकेशन, WPF, कंसोल, क्लास लाइब्रेरी, ब्राउजर एप्लीकेशन. तो हम किस पे काम कर रहे हैं, विंडो फॉर्म एप्लीकेशन पे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन दिस, then I am going to click on OK. Now my window form will be opened. This is clear. तो ये आपका क्या हो गया, विंडो एप्लीकेशन 1 ओपन हो गया है. मैंने कंपोनेंट्स आपको बताए थे. ऑन द टॉप दिस इज योर टाइटल बार वेयर द नेम ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट इज गोइंग टू डिस्प्ले. Here we call it project. Okay. On the left side we have different tools. Right side we have different properties. Here we have Solution Explorer. You can see here. From here only you can get the properties and Solution Explorer on the right side only. Okay. Now you can see here beta I have created form 1.vb. Means how to create a form that I have already told you. From project only you can add another form also, and by default form 1 will appear whenever you will click on new project and it will open your window application 1. Now what we have to do, this form is already there. Now what you have to do, you have design view. In design view you are going to add a label. From left side I have simply dragged a label here. Okay. यहाँ से आपने simply एक drag label को उठाना है और you are simply going to place it on the form. Okay. Here I want label 1 only, so I will delete label 2, and here downside I have taken a button. You can see here button is given on the left side. I have simply taken a button here, and on the right side from the property window I have clicked. You can see here display. You can write anything whatever you want. Okay. If I want to edit it I can edit it. Fine. Now display is shown here and label 1 is here. Now what I have to go to code view. Now when I click on this button code view will appear. You can see here. यहाँ पे बेटा मैंने क्या किया, लेबल 1.text पे क्या अपीयर कराना है मुझे, वेलकम टू विजुअल बेसिक. अब जो आपका डिस्प्ले था वो क्या था बेटा, एक बटन था. बटन की क्लिक पे मैंने जब किया तो क्या हुआ, मेरी कोड विंडो ओपन होगी. कोड विंडो पे जाके मैंने क्या किया, लेबल 1.text इज इक्वल टू वेलकम टू विजुअल बेसिक. मीन्स जब भी मैं मेरा प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट करूंगी तो क्या होगा, when I click on display button it will show you welcome to Visual Basic 2010 on label 1. label 1 पे वो क्या शो करेगा, because I have written here label 1.text. अब वहाँ पे वो क्या लिखा आएगा, welcome to Visual Basic. I think this is clear. अब मैं आपको रन करके दिखा रही हूँ बेटा. debug पे जाना है, start debugging the program. You can press F5 also. यहाँ पे मैंने डिस्प्ले पे क्लिक किया तो what will appear, welcome to Visual Basic. So this is how we are going to execute, how we are going to debug our form or application. Same way बेटा, जैसे अब मैं if I close it and I'll go to form. अब यहाँ पे देखो लेफ्ट साइड पे सारी प्रॉपर्टी शो हो रही हैं. आपको इसको अलाइनमेंट करनी है, कुछ भी आपको करना है, इसका कंपैटिबिलिटी, मतलब एनीथिंग यू वांट टू चेंज इट, साइज, you want to put any image on this button, anything you want to do, you will do from the property window of this control. Similarly, अगर मैं label 1 पे click करूँगी तो it will show all the properties of label 1. From here also I can change the properties of label. इसी तरह कोई भी आप label use कर रहे हो, button use कर रहे हो, इसी तरह if I am using any other control, like if I have taken text box from this place, text box होते हैं whenever you want to give any input. ओके यहाँ पे मैंने टेक्स्ट बॉक्स लिया, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ भी देना है, इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज यहाँ से चेंज करनी है तो यू कैन डू. ओके, तो आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. अब बेटा दो मेथड होते हैं, चाहे आप F5 की प्रेस कर दो, इसको मैं डिलीट कर देती हूँ, ठीक है, चाहे मैं F5 की करके एग्जीक्यूट करूँ प्रोग्राम को, चाहे ही मैं आपकी स्टार्ट डिबगिंग पे जाके इसको एग्जीक्यूट करूँ. डिस्प्ले पे क्लिक करूँगी तो वेलकम टू विजुअल बेसिक आ जाएगा. एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, इवेंट क्या होती है, जब आपने इस बटन की क्लिक पे प्रेस किया तो उससे क्या हुआ, वॉट एवर एक्शन, वॉट एवर स्टेटमेंट यू हैव रिटन दैट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटिंग इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द योर इवेंट. अगर आपको सेकेंड जो आपका प्रोग्राम है दैट इज गिवन इन योर बुक, you have to enter 2 number and you have to print the sum of 2 given numbers. Okay, now how to do this, I have to take form, add another form. Okay, I will go to project and add another form into this. Fine, now what I have to do, I have to click on, you can see here, I will simply increase the form size. Now I am going to put what, I have to take 3 labels. Okay, लेबल्स यहाँ पे दी हुई हैं आपके पास, मीन्स द थिंग्स दैट आर फिक्स्ड. लाइक आपको किसी को नेम करना है, एंटर फर्स्ट नेम, एंटर सेकंड नेम, एंटर थर्ड नेम, तो आप किस में ले लोगे, लेबल में, ठीक है. और 3 मैंने टेक्स्ट बॉक्स लिए जो हम वैल्यू एंटर करेंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 1 लिया, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 2 लिया एंड टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 3. Here you can see beta, we have taken form and here we have taken 3 labels. I have mentioned first label को मैंने text में देखो first number लिख दिया है, second label को मैंने second number लिख दिया है and third label को मैंने sum लिख दिया है as it is given in your book, first number, second number and sum. Okay, now next I have taken a button where I have written calculate. You can change it from the property. अगर आपको कुछ और नेम करना है तो you can change it from the property box. So I have taken 3 control, 3 text box I have taken, 3 labels I have taken and 1 button. Now when I am going to execute it, you will see the output. Now you can see बेटा what I have done. मुझे अब कोडिंग भी करनी है कि जब मैं कैलकुलेट पे क्लिक करूँ तो what will happen, जो सम है आपका वो थर्ड टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में शो जाए. For this what I have done, I have double clicked on this button and I have written the code. You can see here text box 3 dot text. मतलब जो आपका टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 3 है उसमें क्या आएगा, टेक्स्ट आएगा. क्या आएगा देखो, जो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 1 डॉट टेक्स्ट में जो वैल्यू है प्लस जो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 2 डॉट टेक्स्ट में जो वैल्यू है वो किस में आ जाए, आपकी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 3 के अंदर. ओके, दिस कोड आई हैव रिटन. ओके, नाउ यू विल सी द एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट व्हेन आई विल debug the program. What will happen, you can see here when I click on फर्स्ट नंबर मैंने एंटर किया 5, सेकेंड मैंने एंटर किया 7. Now what will happen, I will click on calculate button. What will happen, the output will come in the this block. थर्ड टेक्स्ट में मैंने क्या करना था, सम करना था 5 + 7 का, तो ये क्या हो गया आपका 12. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. तो ये आपका एक बेसिक प्रोग्राम जो हमने यूज किया विजुअल बेसिक के अंदर यूजिंग योर GUI. ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. आई थिंक बेटा ये आपको क्लियर हो गया. यहाँ से आप कोई भी कंट्रोल ऐड कर सकते हो फॉर्म के ऊपर. फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन चेंज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एनी कंट्रोल दैट यू हैव एडेड फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड फ्रॉम द टूल बॉक्स. कुछ भी आप यहाँ पे ऐड करोगे उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज आप राइट साइड से चेंज कर सकते हो और लेफ्ट साइड से आप कोई भी कंट्रोल अपना ऐड कर सकते हो. यू वांट टू ऐड एनीथिंग इनटू दिस. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. उसके बाद आप हमारे पास आता है नेक्स्ट, सेव कैसे करोगे आप विजुअल बेसिक में प्रोजेक्ट को. फाइल में जाके यू हैव टू सेव. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सेव ऑल ऑल्सो. यू कैन क्लिक ऑन form1.vb. नाउ इट इज योर विश, आपको form1.vb करना है या पूरा का सारा जितने भी आप फॉर्म क्रिएट कर चुके हो सारे फॉर्म ऑटोमेटिकली ही सेव हो जाएंगे. यू कैन डू इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. ओके, एंड इसी तरह अगर आपने फाइल में जाके यू वांट टू ओपन एनी न्यू प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन डू. इसी तरह आप क्लोज करना चाहते हो प्रोजेक्ट को, कुछ भी आपने करना है, सेम फाइल के अंदर सारे मेन्यूज होते हैं. फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन यूज. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. At last, I want to recap the chapter that we have covered today. First one, as you know, it is a programming language. In event-driven programming, the statements get executed when a corresponding event occurs. There are three modes: design, run and break, as we have discussed. Next, in this we have discussed what is a form. As you know, form is an interface through which you can interact with the application. After that, we have discussed property window. What is the use of property window? Which is used to change the properties of the control that you have added in the form. After that, we have label. Whenever you want to write anything in the form, we will use label. Text box, whenever you want to input in anything into the form. Then we have command button, which is used to give commands to the application. So this is all about your today's chapter, that is Visual Basic 2010. So you have to download it from the internet and you have to practice all the content that we have covered.